Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I can't wait to start working on the Catio. These have the same stain as the plant bench and our potting bench. I did one coat, waited a day, did another coat, waited a day. Let's get working. The base is done. I ended up using these three pieces because this is leftover plywood and I cut it however it would fit. The middle little piece was a little wobbly, so I added another brace down the center to give it more support. The turf artificial grass is a little flattened out. These two were sitting out and are a little more fluffy. While we wait for the rest of those, I'm going to figure out how to cut the lumber for the rest of the framing. The corner pieces are all cut. Let's hope they're the correct length. We are going to go with a design like this and like this. Let's get them installed. This is what I ended up doing for the side framing. I know it's not the most efficient, but I wanted space here where I could staple gun the hardware cloth. Broke another drill bit. We are going to Home Depot because I am out of lumber. That's all we have left. I think I need 3 more 8-foot 2x8s. We are back from Home Depot. I don't know how I want to frame the top yet. I think we need 3 of these shorter pieces cut, and I will frame around that. Let's unload and start figuring it out. I've only cut those two and these two for the top framing because I don't know how to do it. We will start with framing the top of the window, and I will then figure out how to connect it to those 3 other pieces. Those 3 sides weren't too difficult. This was fastened directly into the frame. We have pocket hole jigs up here. I don't know what to do from here down over there. I'm thinking of pocket hole jig into here and I'm going to remove this center piece and have some pocket hole jigs here. Let's get those cut and prepped. The framing is all done. This last top piece that I thought was going to be a little difficult wasn't too bad. We did pocket hole jigs here and over here. The major problem for this video is the screen. We should have removed this screen pretty early on in the build. The frame has got it permanently stuck. We might destroy it, but for now we're gonna cut some holes into them. Cutting hardware cloth with tin shears is surprisingly difficult. We have all the pieces cut. Going to use a staple gun to get all of them installed. I didn't think hardware cloth was that hard to put in. I need to add framing here and framing down here. There was definitely a few F-bombs and other bad words said during the install. Let's finish it up. It is not perfect. I need to do framing around these parts that are very loose, but it works. We have cats. It is fully functional. Barley, Vanguard, do you guys like it? Video 64 done.